This is a little bit of food for thought for the welders that drive to work in their own personal vehicles or have a welding rig or work truck that they take to work on a certain job site or different job sites. This will also vary on what state you live in and the tax codes in your areas. I am by no means a tax advisor or professional in that sense. But for some states, for some folks, you could possibly write off your fees for ferries like this ferry that I am on crossing the Mississippi River. If you are going to work in your personal truck, you could possibly write off the fee. Now, if you are in your work truck, you could possibly write it off for your company, and you could pass on the charge to your customer. So they pay the fee, and you could also possibly get a write-off, but you want to check with your tax advisors for your area. Again, I'm not a professional in this area. I'm just saying what I've heard and several things that I've done that are similar. So like you can write off tires, you can write off the miles on your car, your truck, whatever it may be, because it's going to work. At least for my area, I've been able to do that. So think about that, y'all. I know a lot of welders just do the quick little tax apps. Sometimes it's very beneficial to have a tax advisor that can walk you through different steps. You can possibly write off your boots, all the equipment that you buy for work, possible tax write-offs. I'm just saying it could save a good amount of money. I know tax advisors are expensive, but it could save you money, especially if you're in your own welding rig, but even your own personal truck, it could help. So for more tips and tricks, please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and we'll see y'all in the next one.